Shopify Tutorial for Beginners. Set up your store in 10 minutes 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking in great detail and depth about how you can allow yourself to create a store on Shopify in the easiest, most simplest way possible, and how you can, go ahead and set that store up for yourself. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, to start things off, to work with and set your actual store, you're going to come over to Shopify.com. And once you come over to Shopify.com, you're going to click on Start Free Trial. Now, once you click on Start Free Trial, it takes you through the whole trial process where you're going to sign up with things. So it's going to ask you first. So let's get started. Which one of these best describes you? You could be just starting, you could be selling online or in person. Whatever rows your boat, just go with that. Now, once you've chosen the necessary, texting and the necessary requirements that you have to fulfill and input in for your store, you're going to go into, I'm just starting, click on next. Once you do that, it says, where would you like to sell? Pick as many as you like. You can always change these later. We'll make sure you're set up to sell in these places. So you have online store, you have in person, existing website or blog, social media, online marketplaces, and I'm not sure. So just go with whatever works best. I'm going to go ahead with an online store and click on next. So what do you plan to sell first? So first it says pick what you want to start with. Will help you stock your store. Then you have products I buy or make myself, digital products, dropshipping products, services, etc. I'm going to go with the products I buy or make myself and click on next. And once you do that, click on next again. And it's going to ask for your account details. So you're going to sign up with an email. You can sign up with Apple, Facebook, Google, whatever you want. And once you do that, basically you're going to set up with your account. That's all it needs. You can obviously go ahead and verify your email if you want, but yeah, we're just going to head straight into the dashboard. Now, I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login and we can come straight into the dashboard. Now over here, this is how things are going to look. So to set up your actual store, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go through a few essentials. Okay, you're going to go through a few details that not a lot of store people tell you. So first thing, you're going to come over to settings. You're going to go into your store details. First of all, you're going to keep a store currency that you want to work in. It could be in whatever currency you want your store to be in. So let's say I want mine to be in my US dollars. So there we go. Then once you do that, you're going to come down where it comes to time zones and measurements, and you're going to make sure to keep these intact as well, because if your time zones and measurements are off, then obviously your whole shipping will be off. So we don't want our shipping to be off, so make sure that this is accurate. Once you do that, you have your plan over here. Now, obviously, you're on this free plan currently, so you can, change this plan whenever you want. And you can choose a plan for as much time as you want. Now, moving on, if you want to actually start selling on Shopify seriously, you're going to need to keep a payment provider. So to keep a payment provider, you have two options. Either you can choose a provider or you can get supported payment methods. So to do that, you're going to come to choose a provider, and you're going to come to choose a provider with all these necessary things. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure to get your actual provider that will give you the actual providing. So let's say we have these over here. So Visa, MasterCard, American Express. These are things that will allow you to, essentially go ahead and get the payment through to yourself. So as you can see, in my country, PayMob is supported where Visa, MasterCard, and Visa Bank is allowed, which is pretty incredible. So you're going to keep a payment provider. Once you keep a payment provider, you're going to actually want to go into your online store, and you're going to set up a theme. Okay, you're going to set up a theme to, actually give your store some structure. So down here, you can see you get all these different types of themes that you want to add. So you have the Dawn theme, Spotlight theme, Refresh theme, Craft theme, Sense theme. Now, the Dawn theme is basically your custom theme. Okay, it's a custom theme that you already have for yourself. So you can obviously work with that. Or what you can simply do is you can add a refresh or craft theme for yourself as well, which work pretty well with each other. So once you do all of that, what you're going to do from there is that you're going to move on into the customize section where we're actually going to customize our store. So your customizing store widget and your store editorial widget is a really good place to start off when it comes to editing your store. So in the editorial section, again, as I said, you are gonna go ahead and first of all choose to add a decent welcome header line over here. So this is basically your announcement bar where you can give out announcements or you can, welcome new users into your store. It's pretty easy to work with this. Then moving on, there's different sections that you can add data in. You can add, any other type of consecutive actual things. And then you have headers. Your header is where you can add in different types of navigations to different types of pages on your store. Then you have the actual section. And in the section, basically, you're going to add any type of logo that, insinuates your brand, tells people about your brand. Then you have the product section where you can add your products, okay? So the product section, how are we actually going to add the products? Like, I have all these products added to my store. How did I add these products? And, you get the whole basic variations of colors. You get the description of the product. I get a whole buy it now page. So how did I get all of that? So to get all of that for yourself, you're simply going to come over to your product section. And once you come over to your product section, you're going to add the products into your repertoire by clicking on add product. Once you click on add product, it's going to bring you to this section. So, add whatever type of product you want to go with. And once you add the product's name, add the product if it's in stock and everything. And as we add all of that, we're going to be good to go. So that is basically how we are going to set up our Shopify store in the easiest, most simplest way possible. And these are basically the ways of how your Shopify store is good to go and up and running and set it up.
So, I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later and goodbye.